Let's talk about the overall interest rate scenario. What's your own sense? We've seen what the RBI has done over the past several quarters. What do you feel is likely, given the way inflation is behaving, the growth prints that the RBI will read? Incidentally, a new GDP data series will also come out. So what's your sense about interest rates?
My view is that I think we are pretty much done on the interest rate side. I think the interest rates have been brought down to a level where they are quite supportive of growth in the economy. Further cut interest rates is not really going to lead to a situation where further growth will be spurred on. I don't think interest rates is the issue or isn't coming the way of entrepreneurs investing in terms of capex or investing in growth. So my view is, and if you look at the inflation also, it's slowly, gradually, while there is a base impact, it will creep up. Currency is depreciated. We do import a lot of our stuff. End of the day, keeping inflation at 4 to 5% is not a bad thing for a developing and a growing economy like India.
You spoke about retail, so let's come back to that. The consumption story and the revival, especially on account of GST cuts. Which sectors do you see performing for retail lending going forward?
So when the retail crisis hit, obviously there was a lot of cuts which were done on the personal and the unsecured side, which is on the credit cards and personal loans, and obviously there were a lot of changes which were brought about in the MFI scenario also. So you saw MFI lending also going down dramatically. And now slowly, gradually, as the borrowers have worked their way through the system, they have, GST cut has helped them, the tax cuts have helped them. So either they're coming out of the crisis, or people who had to kind of go over the cliff have gone over the cliff, and well, that is past. Yes. The new set of borrowers, underwriting standards have been changed, they have been improved, the risk models have been further tightened. So in that sense, there is more confidence about lending to the borrowers, either who are borrowing in the past and want to borrow more, or about the new borrowers. So my view is that India obviously is seeing consumption growing, especially you're seeing on the metro markets, and slowly even in the urban market, in the rural markets, the consumption is growing. You saw the auto sales, they have broadly picked up. You are also seeing revival on the real estate side. You see on the, especially the retail market, and not necessarily the commercial, you are seeing a little bit of revival happening on the real estate sector. And obviously the investments in the infrastructure side continues apace. So it's a good story broadly all around.
Okay.